In this video, we're going to discuss how to read multi-frame page GIFs and TIFFs in C#. All right, welcome to this tutorial where we will discuss how to read multi-page GIFs and TIFFs using IronOCR in C#. We'll guide you through the process of extracting text from multi-page TIFF files and multi-frame GIF files. So we're going to be using IronOCR. I've already installed it, so let's go ahead and jump into the program.cs file. So first we need to import our namespaces and configure IronOCR by applying our license key, and this will grant us access to all the features that IronOCR has. Next, we'll instantiate the Iron Tesseract object to perform OCR. We'll start by importing a TIFF file named sample.tiff and extracting the text from it. Next, we'll instantiate the Iron Tesseract object to perform OCR. So we're going to start by importing this TIFF file named sample.tiff and extract the text from it using the IronOCR read method, and then we'll print out the output on the console. Moving forward, we're going to specify a specific region within the TIFF file using a rectangle defined as rectangle parentheses 800, 200, 900, and 400. And this just allows us to pick a precise area for OCR analysis. So it demonstrates how IronOCR handles selective text extraction really efficiently. So use the IronOCR read method to perform OCR on the specific region and then print the output to the console. So now transitioning to GIF files, we'll use another sample using IronOCR's OcrImageInput. The process remains seamless as Tesseract processes the GIF and extracts the text content accurately. And then upon completion, we output the extracted text from the GIF to the console. All right, so here is the TIFF and GIF images that we will use as an input in this example. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. As we run the program, each step demonstrates the flexibility and reliability of IronOCR in reading complex image formats. Whether it's a multi-page TIFF or GIF, IronOCR just simplifies the OCR process, making it accessible for diverse applications. And there you go. That's how you leverage IronOCR to extract text from multi-frame GIFs and TIFFs. We hope you found this demonstration insightful for demonstrating how to utilize OCR capabilities in your projects. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronOCR, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.